How's it going, everyone? Just wanted to preface things with this video by saying might have been a little bit clickbait, but not quite. This particular brand was the Earl's brand. I'll just say it. They were given to me brand new in the box. I followed the instructions. I used their assembly lube, torque lube that they provided. It was like an anti-seize compound, and as you're about to see, yeah, things didn't go as planned. I did not end up using them. I've jokingly said, somebody send me an envelope with enough postage or a box, whatever, and they're yours. I'll put them in there and send them to you. Offer still kind of stands. If you want to hit me up, please do, and it can be your problem. All jokes aside, I'm currently looking for a junk unrepairable LS block of some sort, and I want to put them in and or put the block, attach it somewhere, anchor it, and then pull on them with torque wrench to different steps and see if I can actually break them or pull threads out of the block, whichever comes first, to kind of see what happens with them and see what the true issue is with them, because I've used ARP. Actually, we're in the engine that I pulled out of my truck that had the bearing failure. Zero issues with them. They went right in that block, no problem, and been in there for several years. And currently, when I did my dad's truck with the LQ4 swap, I used a Jegs branded one because I couldn't get the BTR at the time. The BTR ones they used to sell, I've used a couple sets of them in engines for other people. No issues with them, but I don't believe they sell that particular one anymore. So yeah, this is my first experience with this particular brand, and as you're about to see, like I said before, wasn't the ideal experience. So go ahead and move right into the video, and you guys can point and laugh and have a good time at my expense. Welcome back. If you're just tuning in, had a needle bearing failure in one of the trunnions for rocker arm in my 6-liter of my truck. This is the replacement we're putting together. Of course, it comes without its own difficulties. I had to order this thread chaser. I didn't have a stock bolt to make one, or I would have. But hopefully I'm going to put this together. It's like 7 o'clock at night. I've been at work for 10 hours today. And if I can get it remedied tonight, I'll hopefully slam it in the truck tomorrow night, and then I'm off for the next 3 days. And I don't really want to work on it all 3 days, so we're going to hope for Friday to be the lucky winner. Maybe by noontime. Wishful thinking, probably. So without further ado, I'm going to quit rambling here, and these holes here, even though some of them the bolt ran down all the way in, no problem. Several did not. I think 4 on this bank and 3 on this bank. So I'm going to go ahead and put on time lapse and get to work. All right, so I turned the camera off so I could hunt some things down. Take some compressed air in all the bolt holes, clean them out, etc. Everything run down good. There was a few were a little notchy, but I think they're going to be okay. Got this fine precision piece of equipment here. It's not the best, but it's gotten me by. So 10, 20. So first pass is 30. According to the these are Earls, by the way. Somebody gave them to me. Gonna use them. They're hardened bolts, like an ARP type deal. Any rate, first pass is 30. Second pass 50. Last pass 75. Scribbled the sequence over here so I can kind of stay on top of things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we're at 30 foot-pounds there. Gonna untorque it. Gonna go to 25 to do these. And I need an adapter to step down. It's my half-inch drive 10mm doesn't fit in there very well. There we are. Yay. So here we go again. It's 10, 20, and 25 foot-pounds. You need an extension. It's like this is my first time here. I'm just in such a rush because the night's getting away from me here. I don't like how that felt. Boy, I am not liking how these are feeling. They didn't even click. I do not want these to snap off. Wow. Double check my settings. Sure enough, 25 foot-pounds. Oof. I am scared. Right now. No. Nope. We are not going to go any further than that with those. I'll revisit them after I run these down a little bit more. Yeah. That does not build my confidence right now. Okay. Let's go to 50. 30. 40. And 50. We'll go through the sequence again. Number 1. Ooh. There we go. I am not liking these at all. Oof.
Nope. These may be coming back out, and I may be buying some stock head bolts tomorrow. If these break off in the block, I mean, I'm done. 3. Oof. Ooh, I don't like that sound. Nope. We're stopping it right there. I am not using these head bolts. I'm going to throw them in the trash, actually. They're just... no. Just no. We're not doing this, folks. I break off hard bolts in this block, it's game over for me, and I'm basically be starting all over again. So, yeah. No way, no how. We are not doing this. Ooh, oh God.
So it was at this point right here, I knew something was wrong and I was in trouble.
Oh boy. I am in a freaking full-on panic right now. Maybe that one come loose. That one come loose. That one come loose. I shouldn't have went 50. Tried to go 50 foot-pounds on these other ones when these up here did what they did. This has got me just freaked out right now. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oof. Oh, please come out. Please come out. Please come out. Yep.